Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The £1 Elizabeth coin 2015 is a significant and final chapter in the history of the round £1 coins of the United Kingdom. Introduced in 1983, the £1 coin was created to replace the £1 paper note. By 2015, the Royal Mint released the last design of the round £1 coin before it was permanently replaced by the new 12-sided bimetallic £1 coin in 2017. The 2015 issue stands as a collector's favorite because it marks the end of an era in British coinage. On the obverse front side, the coin features the fifth and final crowned portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark. This design shows a highly realistic and elegant right-facing bust of the Queen wearing the King George IV state diadem, with intricate details highlighting her maturity and dignity. The inscription reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2015, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. This portrait replaced the earlier 1998-2014 portrait by Ian Rank Broadley and was the first to be designed using digital 3D modeling technology, making it one of the most refined images ever used on British coins. The reverse back of the 2015 £1 coin depicts the royal arms of the United Kingdom, designed by Tim Noad. The design showcases a shield divided into four quadrants, representing the four nations of the UK, England, 3 lions, Passant Garden, Scotland, Lion Rampant, Ireland, Harp, and Wales, Red Dragon. This version was meant to symbolize unity among the four countries of the United Kingdom. Around the edges, the design carries the motto, Decus et Tutemen, which translates to, an ornament and a safeguard. This phrase has been used on British coins for centuries as both a decorative and anti-counterfeiting feature. The coin's specifications include a diameter of 22.5 mm, a weight of 9.5 grams, and it is made of nickel brass, giving it a distinct golden tone. The edge is milled with lettering, and its composition gives it a shiny appearance that resists tarnishing. The coin was minted at the Royal Mint in Llantrisant, South Wales, one of the most advanced minting facilities in the world. In terms of historical importance, the 2015 £1 coin symbolizes both the heritage and transition of British currency. It was among the last batch of round £1 coins to enter circulation before being withdrawn in October 2017. Because of this, it has special value to collectors, especially those who seek the full series of round £1 designs issued between 1983 and 2016. Although its face value remains £1, uncirculated or proof versions of the 2015 coin can be worth £3 to £10 or more, depending on their condition and rarity. Overall, the £1 Elizabeth coin 2015 stands as a proud representation of British craftsmanship, tradition, and innovation. It beautifully combines historical design with modern minting technology, marking the conclusion of over 3 decades of round £1 coin history. For numismatists and enthusiasts, it remains a symbol of the end of an era and a tribute to Queen Elizabeth II's long and remarkable reign. The £1 Elizabeth coin 2015 holds a remarkable place in the long and distinguished history of British coinage. It was not just a unit of currency but a powerful symbol of transition, marking the end of more than 3 decades of the round £1 coin that had served the United Kingdom faithfully since 1983. The 2015 issue carries deep historical significance, representing both the legacy of Queen Elizabeth II's reign and the evolution of Britain's modern monetary system. The journey of the £1 coin began in the early 1980s. The Bank of England introduced the round £1 coin in 1983 as a practical replacement for the £1 note, which was costly to maintain and had a much shorter lifespan. The introduction of the coin also coincided with Britain's growing reliance on durable currency during a time of modernization and industrial change. Over the years, a series of £1 coins were released featuring designs that celebrated the 4 constituent nations of the United Kingdom, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Each design represented aspects of national pride, history, and identity, turning ordinary currency into miniature works of art. By the time the 2015 £1 coin was released, the round £1 had become one of the most recognized coins in circulation. However, with time, it also became one of the most counterfeited coins in British history. Reports indicated that over 45 million fake £1 coins were in circulation by 2015, nearly 3% of the total supply. This growing problem forced the Royal Mint to plan the introduction of a new, more secure 12-sided bimetallic £1 coin, which would launch in 2017. Thus, the 2015 issue would become the last official round £1 coin to be minted for general circulation, giving it a unique historical status. The obverse of the 2015 £1 coin features the fifth and final official portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark, a young engraver at the Royal Mint. This was a groundbreaking design because it was created entirely using digital 3D modeling technology, a first in the history of British coinage. Clark's portrait captures the Queen with remarkable realism, depicting her wearing the King George IV state diadem, the same crown she wore during the state opening of Parliament. The surrounding inscription reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2015, meaning, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse side, designed by Tim Noad, proudly displays the royal coat of arms, an enduring symbol of the United Kingdom's monarchy and national unity. The coat of arms is divided into 4 parts, each representing one of the nations of the UK, England's 3 lions, Scotland's lion rampant, Ireland's harp, and Wales's red dragon. This emblem conveys the strength and unity of the realm under the crown. The edge of the coin bears the traditional Latin inscription, Decus et Tutement, an ornament and a safeguard, a phrase that has appeared on coins since the 17th century as both decoration and a deterrent against clipping and counterfeiting. The coin's technical characteristics remain consistent with earlier issues, a diameter of 22.5 mm, a weight of 9.5 grams, and a composition of nickel-brass alloy that gives it a distinct golden color. It was struck at the Royal Mint in Llantrisant, South Wales, using advanced minting techniques that ensured high precision and quality. From a numismatic perspective, the 2015 £1 coin is highly valued because it was produced at a crucial turning point in British currency history. It signifies the end of the round £1 era and the beginning of the new age of security-enhanced coins. After its withdrawal in October 2017, the 2015 issue quickly became a collector's favorite, particularly among those seeking a full timeline of British £1 coin designs. The coin also serves as a tribute to Queen Elizabeth II, who by 2015 had become Britain's longest-reigning monarch. Her image on the coin reflects continuity, stability, and service, values that defined her reign. For this reason, the 2015 £1 coin is often seen as a symbol of both national identity and royal endurance, bridging the gap between the traditional and modern faces of Britain. In the broader history of British coinage, the 2015 £1 coin stands as a milestone of transformation. It connects the early years of the decimal system, introduced in 1971, with the technological innovations of the 21st century. While millions were produced for circulation, many were preserved in mint condition by collectors who recognized its historical importance. Today, the 2015 £1 Elizabeth coin is remembered not only as a monetary tool but as a piece of living history, a reminder of Britain's changing economic landscape, its commitment to craftsmanship, and the enduring image of a monarch who reigned for over 70 years. It represents the closing of one chapter and the dawn of another, ensuring that the round pound will forever hold a place in the heart of British heritage.